In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Base44. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Base44, all the way to having a basic form ready to use. I'll talk you through each action so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by opening Base44 and heading to your workspace. Once you're there, you'll need to select the project where you want your form to live. Think of a project as the container for everything related to a specific app or workflow. If you already have a project set up, simply click on it to open it. If you're working with multiple projects, make sure you choose the one that's most relevant to the form you're about to build, so everything stays organized and easy to find later. Once your project is open, you're ready to add a form. Inside the project editor, look for the main command or search area where you can type in actions. Click into that field and type the words add form, then press enter. This tells Base44 that you want to create a new form within the current project. After you hit enter, Base44 will start guiding you through the setup using on-screen prompts. This is where you'll define what your form looks like and how it behaves. Follow each prompt carefully. You'll typically be asked to name your form first. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it at a glance. Next, the prompts may help you add fields to your form, such as text inputs, drop-downs, checkboxes, or dates. For each field, think about the information you truly need from the person filling out the form. Give every field a clear label, and when possible, add placeholder text or short descriptions to make it obvious what should be entered. As you move through the remaining prompts, review any options for validation, required fields, or default values. This is a good moment to prevent errors by making sure important fields are required and that the format of each field makes sense. When you've finished following all of the prompts, take a moment to preview your form inside the project. Check that everything appears in the right order, that labels are understandable, and that it's easy to complete from a user's perspective. Once you're happy with it, your form in Base44 is ready to use.